Hello children, today we will discuss about the our chapter is going that soil. We are discussing about the soil. In that, in the previous class we discussed about the soil and the factors that form the soil and the layers, topmost, under that, beneath that, and at the last. Now today we will discuss about the soil and the types of soil. Types of soil. In the types of soil, as you can see that there are many types of. In that our desert area, you will find this sandy soil. As you move towards the mountain area, where you will find the red type of soil, and in the Udaipur and where you will find the yellow type of soil, and in the Deccan area, as we move towards the South India, there we will find the black soil, the black type of soil. So the soils are, these are the color of soil. I am showing the color of, I am telling the color of soils. Now if the soils color are changes are different, then the quality of soil also there will be different. That will be also different. As you can see that in our area, the crop, majorly crop, bajra, and in the mountains area there are makkah. So we have to discuss about the types of soil. The first one, alluvial. Alluvial soil. Alluvial soil. Most fertile soil. Fertile soil made up of clay, sand and slate. The quality of the soil. This one is fertile, made up of sand, clit and slate and clay. Okay, this one is the alluvial soil. Next one is black soil. Black soil is black in color. Now the quality of this one is it is wet and sticky and retains moisture. This soil is wet and sticky okay, wet and sticky and retain moisture. And this one retain moisture को ये retain करती है. wet भी होती है, sticky भी होती है, चिपकने वाली, and retain the moisture but cracks when it becomes dry. अभी ये moisture को हमेशा retain करके रखती है, लेकिन if it is dry then it will crack. If it is dry then it will but crack when it is dry. अगर वो dry है then it will crack. It is wet, sticky है, moisture को retain करके रखती है, then but if it is dry, then it will crack. That's the quality of black soil. Next one, red soil. Red soil color, it has high iron content, hence it is red. High iron, the main quality of this one is high iron, that's why it is red, because of iron. Next one is laterite soil. Laterite soil, in that laterite soil, it is porous brown soil and it less fertile. Laterite soil is porous brown soil and less fertile. It is not fertile, it is less fertile. ये fertile नहीं होती है, उपजाऊ नहीं होती है, less fertile. And next one, desert. Number 5, desert soil. As we found here in our area, desert soil, that is it is loose, porous, coarse, sandy soil. Loose, porous, coarse, loose, porous, coarse and sandy soil. हमारे यहाँ पर जो मिलती है, that is the desert. Next one, number 6, mountain soil. As I mentioned that on the different type of area we will find different type of soil and different type of agriculture also. It is brown soil with good texture and it is rich in humus. It is very fertile. Rich in humus. Okay, very fertile. And good texture. So these are the main soils. Alluvial soil, it is fertile and made up of sand, slate and clay. Black soil, the quality of black soil is wet, sticky and retain moistures, but it get crack when it is dry. Number 3, red soil. The main quality of red soil is it has high iron. It has high iron content. Next one, laterite soil. It is porous brown soil and less fertile. It is not fertile as the alluvial soil. Desert, it is also less fertile, loose. A type quality of that soil, desert soil is loose. It is porous and coarse and sandy also, as we found in our area. हमारे एरिया में जो मिलती है वो desert soil है. Mountain soil found in mountain places or high places, rich in humus and very fertile. The mountain soil is very rich. The texture of that soil is very good and it is a very fertile. So these are the soil. Write these soils in your notebook. Now, how the soil get degrade and how can we conserve that soil in our area? The degradation of soil and methods of conservation. How the soil is degraded? Degradation of soil and methods of conservation. the major threat to soil is the erosion and depletion of soil. Now, the major threat, the main thing that make threat to the soil is erosion and depletion of that soil. Two words are there: erosion and depletion. Erosion and depletion. Have you ever heard about the word of eraser? What eraser do? Eraser क्या करता है? That the erosion, depletion. ये two वर्ड्स है जो कि एग्रीकल्चर से रिलेटेड है और सोइल से रिलेटेड है, क्योंकि सोइल की जो फर्टिलिटी है और जो टॉप लेयर मोस्ट जो लेयर है टॉप की, उसको मेंटेन करना, रिटेन करना और उसका वी कैन से दैट उसका खत्म होना, उससे संबंधित है ये दो वर्ड्स, erosion and depletion. Remember these names: erosion and depletion. So the main threat of the soil is erosion and depletion. Degradation of soil. Both natural and human factors are responsible for soil degradation. Now, in that, behind that, what reasons are? Both natural and human. Natural and human factors are responsible. Natural and human factors are responsible for soil degradation. So we cannot put behind that only natural or natural reason is behind that soil degradation. There are both, two, natural and human factors, both are also there. Soil erosion is mainly the removal of topmost layer of soil due to floods, landslides, waves and human activities such as deforestation, overgrazing, rainwash and excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. That is the soil erosion. Now, for the soil erosion, is mainly the removal of topmost layer of earth due to floods, of the earth, of soil due to floods, landslides, waves and human activities. Such as human activities in that, such as deforestation, overgrazing, rainwash and excessive use of chemical fertilizers, chemical fertilizers and pesticides chemical fertilizers and pesticides. So these are the how can the soil erosion is made. Mainly the removal of topmost layer of earth or soil due to floods, landslides, waves, human activities such as deforestation, overgrazing, rainwash, or excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. So these are the main reason behind the, and this is affect the fertility of soil. These all affects the जो soil की fertility है उसको affect करते हैं ये. Okay. Now this is the degradation. Now we will see that conservation of soil. ये तो हो गया degradation. Now how can we conserve the soil? In that, as we discussed that on the land also, that the factors or various methods. There are many methods in that. First one, afforestation. Afforestation. In that, soil erosion can be checked by the planting more trees. The roots of trees hold the soil firmly and also control the flow of water. So afforestation means planting more trees. We discussed it in the previous, planting more trees. Now what happened with planting more trees? If we plant more trees and trees, then the root of plant, root of that plant will hold the soil firmly. जो रूट होती है प्लांट की वो सोइल को पकड़ के रखेगी, कैच फर्मली होल्ड करेगी. That's how we can conserve the soil. That's how we can conserve the soil. Number 2 is mulching. The bare ground between crop is covered with organic matter and drought resistant grasses. Once the grasses or vegetation cover the soil, it checks further soil erosion. Now mulching. This is a new word. If you didn't heard about it, then mulching. Mulching means the land, part of any land, on that between the gap of two crops, and that gap filled with the grasses. Then the grass will cover all the land and it will hold the soil by its roots. That's how we can conserve the soil. So mulching, in that the bare ground between crops. So the we can say that the empty ground, empty field filled with empty field filled with grasses, and soon the grasses will cover the whole ground. And that's how we can conserve our soil. So that's it for today. The more conservation, how can we conserve more by more ideas, that will be discussed tomorrow in the next class.